Are you going into VC next year? Are you a student looking to maximize their potential? Are you someone who's always been labeled as gifted? If so, keep watching. G'day guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Yang and I'm an ex-student now based in Melbourne, Australia. And on this channel, we look at ways we can minimize work and maximize life, both academically and day to day. Today, I just want to let everyone know about what this channel is about and what you can expect to see in the future. As always, if you guys have any video suggestions or questions about the VC or UCAT or study in general, feel free to leave those down in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Without a doubt, our VC and university experiences can be the most stressful time for a student, because that's simply the time we spend most sitting down and doing work. However, having gone through this process myself, I've been able to develop methods and systems that have allowed me to still score a 99.50 ATAR and a 98th percentile UCAT in this COVID-ridden year. On top of this, I did minimal hard work. Now I'm not saying that I didn't do any hard work, but this meant that when my friends were studying 3 or 4 hours a day, I would only have to do 2 hours at the most. This meant that even in year 12, I could still find time to hang out with friends and still top my cohort in all my exams. Essentially, that's why I've created this channel, so I can share my habits onto you guys so that high school or university doesn't become something you loathe, but rather something you actively enjoy. Over the next few weeks, I'll be consistently uploading videos answering common VCE questions, as well as how we specifically approach some VCE subjects and the notorious UCAT test. If you like this video, you'll love the videos that I'll be uploading in the future, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. Until then, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys later.